I'm here with a video of how to make Korean traditional dishes second series. I am here with a Korean soy sauce chicken which is called Jjimdak. First, as it is a chicken dish, the chicken is the main ingredient for this food. Next, you need to prepare other ingredients such as an onion, carrots, soy sauce, sugar, pure liquor for removing smells, sesame oil, and minced garlic. Also, green onion is needed at the very last. Then, let's start cooking. First, clean the chicken and cut in a small size. Next, blanch chickens in boiling water. While the chicken is blanched, get ready for the sauce. Prepare half cup of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of pure liquor, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1½ cup of water, and lastly 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. When the outside of chicken turns its color, wash it with cold water to remove impurities. Next, pour 1½ cup of water with the chicken in the pot and sugar. Wait until it starts boiling. Let's get ready for the vegetable while waiting. Cut an onion in bite size. Peel the carrots and also cut in a bite size. For not making the soup dirty, cut all the edge of carrots in a round shape. Before put the vegetable in the chicken soup, remove impurities with a spoon. Because carrots take time for becoming soft, put those first, and mix all the sauce and pour it into the soup. When the carrots soft enough, put the onions into the soup though. If you prefer some spicy, put a pepper in the dish. Lastly, put green onions. When the green onions are a bit softer, it is all done. It is time to enjoy the Korean dish, Jjimdak.